was sitting cross-legged on the hood of a Ford, filing down her nails with an emery board, talking to her friends about people they knew and all of the things young girls do. When she said, "You see that guy in the baseball cap? I'd like to spend some time with a boy like that." But Daddy said, "I've seen him at the hardware store. I think his name is Billy, I'm not sure." As they talked a little while, he passed by. She smiled at him, he just said hi. He was thinking to himself as he walked away, "Man, I'd like to find a girl like her someday." Young love, strong love, true love, it's a new love. They're gonna make it through the hard times, walk those lines. Yeah, these ties will bind young love. Well, she just couldn't stop herself from thinking about him. At a store downtown, she saw him again. She had both hands full, he held open the door. He said, "My name is Billy, I've seen you before. Can I help you with these? Can I give you a ride? Can I take you out on Saturday night?" She didn't have to say what she was feeling inside. He could see the answer shining in her eyes. Young love, strong love, true love, it's a new